We use Redline CB2.
You have the photo?
See, that probably would do the same thing, and that's still a very good brand. So
Okay.
I'll take a photo and I'll do some research
Okay.
and see if this is all good. Is that what Wolf supplied it? Oh no.
The mirror.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I haven't
Just
seen that. Because I reckon that's what Wolf actually is. If it is, I find that go. Do you use this in that?
Yeah.
Do you find it goes watery? Bit more of a liquid when it gets hot.
那个就是它热了以后有那个，有没有看过？没有。
Yeah, okay.
That's it for today's video. If you're interested in professional maintenance and modification for Wolf racing cars, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts with us. See you in the next video.